Good morning. Today I am talking about the seed dormancy, its type, and treatment for breaking seed dormancy, and advantage and disadvantage of seed dormancy. Firstly, we understand that what is seed dormancy and what is quiescence. A physical or physiological condition of a viable seed that prevent germination in presence of favorable germination condition. And what is quiescence? The inability of seed to germinate due to unfavorable external conditions such as too dry, cold, warm is called quiescent, and such types of seed is known as quiescent seed. Types of seed dormancy. Exogenous dormancy caused by condition outside the embryo is divided into three subgroup. In three subgroup, first is physical dormancy. In physical dormancy, seeds are impermeable to water or gases in family like Canaceae and Musaceae. The food reserved in the stored in embryo, not in endosperm. In Fabaceae, there is one layer, but Cuscuta there are many layers. Mechanical dormancy due to presence of hardwood fruit wall in family Ericaceae, Rahamanaceae, etc. Chemical dormancy caused due to presence of certain growth regulator like abscisic acid, coumarin, etc. In abscisic acid covering around the embryo, abscisic acid is found to inhibit protein synthesis, inhibit embryo growth, and endogenous. Second type is endogenous dormancy caused by condition within the embryo itself. In endogenous dormancy, there are also three subgroups. First is physiological dormancy, prevent embryo growth and seed germination until chemical changes occurs. In physiological seed dormancy, further characterized in thermodormancy, photodormancy, and drying. In drying, some plants require a period of drying before they will germinate, like number of grasses. And second is thermodormancy, temperature requirement for germination in seed sensitivity to heat or cold. Cocklever, amaranth germinate only high temperature 30 degrees centigrade or 86 Fahrenheit. Photodormancy in light sensitivity affected germination of some seed, prolonged light quality. Second is morphological dormancy due to underdeveloped or undifferentiated embryo. And last, combined dormancy, both morphological and physiological factors are involved of this, like iris of some species, some species of iris. Different method of breakdown seed dormancy. First is escarification. Any treatment, physical, chemical, that soften the seed coat, example sandpaper, scarifier, H2SO4, etc. Temperature requirement, stratification. There is two types of stratification. One is low temperature stratification and second is high temperature stratification. In low temperature stratification, 0 to 5 degrees centigrade with a moist substratum for 3 to 10 days. 3 to 10 day, and high temperature acidification 40 to 50 degrees centigrade within moist substratum for 3 to 10 day. Leaching or water soaking to remove the seed coat inhibitors. Seeds can be soaked in water or keeping in running water like beet, coriander and sunflower. Light requirement. The lettuce seeds with light is essential for germination, and exogenous application of growth regulator or chemicals. Endogenous dormancy like gibberellic acid and kinetin. Gibberellic acid and kinetin and other chemical like potassium nitrate, KNO3 0.2%, thiourea 0.5 to 3%, and KNO3 break dormancy of light requiring seed in dark like oat, barley and tomato. Thiourea is needed for both light requiring and chilling requiring seed of lettuce, and dormancy breakdown of groundnut through ethereal. Advantage: storage life is prolonged, can pass adverse situation, prevent in situ germination, prevent extinction of species. And disadvantage of seed dormancy: immediate sowing of is not possible. Backing product prepared of this seed are not tasty. Mutation can occurs in occurs is dormant seeds. Thank you.